Welcome to Archiesense. In traditional architectural design, the courtyard is often placed in the center of the house as a center of harmony and symmetry. However, with the development of domestic needs in urban environments, the boundaries between private and public spaces are increasingly blurred. This has prompted the rearrangement of the courtyard off-center, creating a more dynamic spatial composition in accordance with the regional context. This project adapts the design of a traditional Goan house by moving the courtyard outside the house as a center of social interaction. This multifunctional courtyard is designed to accommodate the needs of modern residents while retaining traditional elements such as the sofa seating. With an east-west orientation, the design maximizes natural light and ventilation, and takes advantage of the tree cover in the southwest to create a shady and comfortable atmosphere. The outer courtyard is protected by a Mangalore ceramic screen that provides privacy from outside views. In the center of the courtyard, a frangipani tree becomes the centerpiece, offering visual beauty through fragrant flowers and the play of light and shadow on the surrounding white walls. This screen not only provides protection, but also becomes an architectural element that separates the public area from the private oasis in the courtyard. A low veranda with a modern design connects the courtyard to the living room. The sloping roof of this living room combines contemporary aesthetics with the context of its surroundings. The living room is equipped with full-length windows that emit soft light from the north, creating a comfortable and natural atmosphere. Materials such as wooden windows and lime walls enhance the rustic feel, in harmony with the local traditional architecture. A reading niche with terracotta slabs connects the living room and dining room, providing an integrated living experience. Indian architectural elements such as brick jolly are used to filter the strong southern light, helping to reduce the heat in the double staircase area. The cross-ventilation design that utilizes the Venturi effect improves air circulation, creating a cool and energy-efficient home.